Both Florida and Texas among the first states to start their phased reopenings, now having to change course. Bars in Florida ordered to stop serving alcohol, while in Texas they're closed, with restaurants to limit indoor seating capacity at 50%.
If I can't make money, you know what? Call Tina, Maritza, Deborah, Daniel, Erica, and tell those bartenders they can't work now. All my bartenders and cooks cannot work.
You know, we're shut down. We don't have a kitchen. We don't serve food, so we can't operate. We did everything. Our staff were wearing masks. We had sanitizing stations. We did weekly tests. We limited occupancy. We did everything that was asked. It's a tough conversation to have with everybody that you know, we won't be able to provide them with a place to work and money to make.
Several other states have seen record infection rates in recent days. California, Arizona, Mississippi and Nevada among them. While the hospital system in Houston, Texas could be weeks from being overrun.
The hospitals right now are managing it and they've got surge plans in place. But if the community doesn't start behaving differently, there's going to be a limit to what the hospitals will handle. It's not today, that's 3 weeks from now. And if they hear the message and if they start wearing the mask and social distancing, we should be able to get through this. If they ignore the message, if they think it's political, if they think it's fake news, if they come up with some excuse not to wear the mask and physically distance themselves, we could be in a world of hurt.
While in Florida, the governor refusing to mandate the wearing of masks as early signs point to younger people ignoring social distancing measures and fueling the recent spike in cases there.
At the end of the day, we're seeing really, really big positive test results from our younger, less risky demographic in terms of the effects of this, but a lot of asymptomatic carriers and obviously could be asymptomatic transmitters. And that's what I think the concern is, particularly for our vulnerable population, that seeps into some of those folks who would be more vulnerable to the virus.
Florida recording more than 8,500 cases in the last 24 hours, the most anywhere in the country.
As I go around the community, I see a lot of people not wearing masks. And although you may be 25 and feel that you're bulletproof, you have parents and grandparents, and I bet you know someone who is overweight or diabetic or has heart disease or has lung disease, and they are at risk. And the fact of the matter is you're going to put them at risk. So we really are trying to deliver a message, trying to get to the hearts and minds of the people in this community of why it's important to wear a mask. And if you're not wearing a mask, tell us why.
And while the message from President Donald Trump on wearing of masks has muddied the waters and politicized the guidance, the sheer breadth of the spread and the weight of more than 125,000 dead is emphatically making the case for their greater use. Shervin Briceby's SABC News, New York.